Hey. Good morning, Jolene. Good morning. Good morning, Jolene. I'm not going in the house right now. You guys want some breakfast?
I could put that on the down.
No, it's fine.
It don't matter.
Either way.
Either way, but see, what I do want to put this side into the wall.
Right.
And then this side here is pretty good, pretty straight. I'll plane it. So I can get the stuff and get the nails out of it. And I think we can do really good with this piece right here.
Okay.
I just need about 30 inches over here.
Hey everybody, it's about 9 o'clock now. We're about to get started working on the house. Got my bus route done this morning, and so I'm hoping to get the living room ceiling painted today. And Dad's continuing to work on the shelves in the kitchen. But I want to show you guys this gourd plant. These things have volunteered all summer long, and we've just mowed them down. But I let one of them go, and it has just went nuts. And I don't know, I guess it's just regular old gourds is what it looks like. I don't think it's, maybe it's some kind of melon, but maybe you guys can tell me what you think about this. This great big gourd plants. The weeds have kind of grown up in it. And it's got these little, of course the yellow blossoms, and the bees are really liking it right now. It's got these little yellow melon gourd looking things on it. Is it some kind of melon? Or is it just a regular old gourd or squash? I see from that base in the ground right there, it's spread that far in not very long, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. It's just gone nuts. You guys tell me, what do you think these are? And if they're just regular little gourds, what do you do with them? I have no idea what to do with gourds. Okay, I'm out here in the barn. I need to find a piece of trim that can go around the top of the microwave box. Since we're not going to put a cabinet up there, we don't want just a big kind of hole along the top. I think I found a piece. This thing's big. It looks like an old piece of crown molding. So I'm going to try that. See if I can get it out from under that pile.
Now I'll temporarily put this up and get a measurement for the other one that I'll dowel to it to make the corner. Because that last one's going in grain wood, you just can't expect as much from it. You don't want to over torque it.
Okay, so we got the second shelf in here. I wasn't able to get it on camera because I fell asleep at lunch and Dad snuck it over here and put it in before I could get over here and video it. So he's like that. He'll sneak around at work without letting anybody else know what he's doing. So, and part of what makes this strong is that they're in every stud and they're right up against the stud. The other thing that really gives this a lot of strength is that it's basically on three sides. We have screws. There are screws here, there are screws in the back, and then it goes all the way around to the side, and there are screws in the sides. We were able to really get enough strength in this by making it a corner shelf, and I mean I can really pull down on that, and that's not going anywhere. That's solid. That's right there. So I think she'll be able to sit anything she wants on these things, and they're in there. They're very solid. So okay, so I went to drive the bus, came back, and Dad had a coat of paint. It's oil-based primer, so it's pretty stinky. I can't stay in here with it for very long. I'm getting a little dizzy. So, but it looks good. The white paint is going to look really nice. He's got the trim on the microwave box there. That's going to be nice, and the shelves. So here is my first crop. I've tried to start some lettuce. I need some water, I think. Can you see the sprouts? Some sprouts coming up, not all of them. I got these organic seeds from High Mowing, and they're starting to sprout. Need a little bit of water. I'll get that. Hey, like us, subscribe to us, like the video, comment, tell me what I'm doing wrong and how dumb I am, or just ask questions, whatever. Just be a little bit nice. Catch you later.
Subscribe!